Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Wanted to do an actual review of this burner that I picked up a couple of months ago. I've used it quite a bit. I want to say at least once a week. I guess like I don't know, like a holder, you know, whatever you want to call this thing. And it's pretty sturdy. So like, you know, like notice that I'm like shaking it, and you know, I mean, I guess if you go side to side, it's not gonna be as sturdy because you're gonna kind of, you know, push this in with your hand, which is gonna cause it to lose its grip. But overall, I mean, I'm shaking this thing more than you're ever gonna shake it, Vin. So, for example, when I put the coconut here, right? I don't know if the video is catching it, but the coal at the very back is not actually touching the charcoal. You know, that metal coal is not actually physically touching the coal. And that's because the coal getting deformed, which might actually be a normal feature. It's just something that happens. But again, something that I'm sure you guys are interested in knowing. You know, I do not think it's affected the product in any way, shape, or form. So once this thing is fully heated up, I will put the coal on, and then I'll time it to see how long it takes for it to, you know, fully turn on. And then we'll go from there. Alright guys, now excuse the sound. I do have to have the fan on so it doesn't stink up the house. So just a little disclaimer, what I'm going to be doing is I'm not going to leave the coals on as is the entire time and just wait for it to turn on, you know, thoroughly. What I'm going to be doing is once it reaches sort of halfway of being lit, I'm going to flip the coals. Alright boys, so what we're going to be doing is at this point we're going to flip the coals. It's at about a 4-minute and 30-second mark. So this is what the coals look like. We're gonna flip them real quick. And then if some of you guys are maybe wondering, you know, how much of the actual burner is hot to the touch, I'm actually gonna test that for you guys. So, you know, and let's see, I guess, you know, some people where they're gonna put the burner, it kind of matters. You know, because of the way they have their setup, so they want to make sure it might not burn some stuff in the surroundings. So let's test this out for you guys. So the bottom is definitely hot. I'm able to keep my finger on it, you know, but it's definitely, you know, like it's hot. Like you can feel like there's obviously heat there, you know. And then the handle obviously cold. This metal part, again, it's, you know, it's warm, but it's not gonna burn your finger, you know, unless you keep it on for too long. But as you guys can see, no fire. I mean, it's not burning. No, it's okay. Now over here is when it kind of gets a little dangerous. So let me lick my finger. See, yeah, over here past this part, this is where it gets really hot. So the coals seem fine. Takes about 6 minutes and you know, 40 seconds for the coals. So let's just say 7 minutes. Yeah, let's just say in 7 minutes, you know, the coals are ready. I mean, look, even this over here is getting almost unbearable, you know. So as more time goes on, the more the bottom is also getting warmer to a point where it becomes hard to touch it. I'm gonna test for you guys to see if the bottom gets hot as well. So let's take a look. It's kind of, I'm gonna have to put the phone down, hold on. Okay, so let's take a look. Let me show you guys. So the bottom metal does get hot. What's keeping whatever surface you're putting this on from, you know, from truly taking you know, like burn damage? It's from the legs, because even the bottom gets pretty hot. All right guys, and then the other thing we're going to do is we're gonna roast marshmallows on this just to show you guys how it works. Now please don't mind the fact that my Hershey's chocolate is sitting on this dirty metal. I'm not gonna eat it. I am trying to lose a little bit of weight. As you can sometimes see my belly, you know, in the video like this sticking out. You know, I'm trying to make it so it goes away and I no longer have that belly there. So let's see how long it's gonna take for the marshmallow to get roasted. I think you can either, like, leave it on top of it like that, which I think it might get too hot. I personally do not like roasting marshmallows. I don't like the taste of marshmallows like that much. It's too sweet. So I'm not like an expert marshmallow person. But look at that. That's how hot it gets. That thing literally just caught on fire. Holy crap. Oh my god. Holy shit. This thing just burst in flames. Okay. So clearly, just having the marshmallow just like laying down on top of it like this is way too freaking hot. We just go to show how hot this thing gets. Okay, so we're gonna try this one more time. I'm gonna keep it a little bit higher, and then let's see if we can roast our marshmallows properly. Okay, so as you guys can see, you can definitely roast the marshmallow on this, not a problem. Okay, the other thing you can do is you hold the chocolate over the fire. The chocolate's already melting onto the stick. So you can do this, melt the chocolate, slap it on top of your marshmallow, and then that little cracker that you put on the marshmallow, or whatever it's called. And then you can go crazy with this thing. It's really cool. But look how melted that is, just from like a couple of seconds. Really, really cool. And there you have it.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh no! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh hell no. Oh my god. 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 Okay, let's not panic. Okay, we're gonna keep it cool. There you go. We're gonna keep it cool. We're not gonna panic. Okay. Whew. So there you have it. This thing works great with chocolate. Works great with marshmallows. And then the next thing I want to show you guys is how long does it take to boil water on top of it. I don't have like a traditional teapot, so I could boil my water in. So instead, I'm gonna put my regular pot on top of this, and then I'm gonna fill it up. Hold on, let me turn off my vent. And then I'm gonna fill it up with about 12 ounces of water. So assuming you want to make coffee or tea for 2 people. There you go. We're gonna time it and see how long it takes for the water to come to boil. Okay, so I'll see you guys then. There, see, it's like 175. So I think what's gonna happen is, if this thing does eventually boil, it does become unreasonably long, where it's no longer convenient for most people to use this thing to boil water. Now here's a catch though. That's with the top open. I'm gonna empty out the water. I'm gonna put another room temperature water in there, and then I'm gonna cover the top, see if that's gonna make it boil. Alrighty, so I just poured the 12 ounces of water in there. We're gonna cover the top, and hopefully this makes it boil. Alright guys, there you go. There we have it. I think it's boiling. I can hear it. Whew, it's definitely boiling. So closing the lid made a really big difference. Let's see what temperatures we're reading here. Make sure I'm not touching the metal. Nope, not touching the metal. We are hitting above 200 degrees, which is really good. There you have it, boys. You can definitely boil water on top of this. I hope this was a good enough review. I don't think there's any other test for me to tell you guys about. I'm overall really happy with the product. I really like it. It seems sturdy. You know, wires aren't loose or anything like that. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and then just subscribe to the channel if you guys like the content. I also try to do let's plays for some games, so check out the other videos from there, see if you guys like those videos, and I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. All right guys, take care.